have about 2 pounds of ribeye steak I just picked up from the local supermarket. What we're gonna do is we're gonna cut these into 1-inch cubes. I made sure that these were thick cut and they were of quality, so we wouldn't have to mess with any baking soda or cornstarch just to make them soft, okay? These come already tender. So we're gonna cut them into cubes. Look at this, look at that, huh? We're gonna throw it inside the mixing bowl here. And if you got too much fat on the trims, you can go ahead and slice them off. Sometimes I like to leave a little bit of fat just to get that flavor going on each bite. I'm going to mince 1 shallot. Go ahead and add it to your mixing bowl. I'm gonna grab it, about 1 clove of garlic. Let's go ahead and mince these. I'm gonna add this to the mixing bowl. We're gonna do 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. We're gonna do about 1/4 of a tablespoon of fish sauce, 1 teaspoon of sugar, a dash of sesame oil, a dash of dark soy sauce. Now we're gonna mix it well. From here, you're gonna store it into the refrigerator for a minimum of 1 hour. Next, we're gonna go ahead and grab a handful of white onions, make some thick slices. For the rice, we're gonna grab about 2 tablespoons of butter and heat it up. You're gonna grab 2 boxes of Mexican style rice-a-roni. Remove the packet. We are going to empty the rice in here. Just the rice and the butter for about 30 seconds. I'm gonna take both the packets and we're going to empty it in here. Mix the rice with the seasoning. Next, we're gonna add 10 cups of water. Make sure all the rice is submerged in the water. We're gonna cover our pot of rice and we're going to lower the heat to a nice low setting to simmer. We're gonna set it for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, you're gonna turn off the heat and let it sit covered for about another 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, here you have your rice ready to go. Let's just mix this up a little bit. Now we're gonna grab 1 onion and we are going to slice them into bite-sized pieces. Now we're gonna go ahead and cook 2 things simultaneously. On this side, we're gonna fill up a large pot halfway up with canola oil, wait for the temperature to go up to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, where we are gonna cook our steak fries. Over here is where we're gonna cook our steak. Go ahead and put a tablespoon of oil in here. We're also gonna put 1 spoon of butter, and we're going to melt the butter. Go ahead and put our onions in. After our oil hits 375 degrees, we're gonna throw in some steak fries. I'm gonna throw in 1 tomato, throw in the mushrooms, now we're gonna take all of this out. We don't wanna cook it with our steak. Grab a little bit of oil. Now we're gonna throw in our steak. We're going to be growing this for about also 6 minutes. Spread some black pepper. Let it sear on the side of the wok here. Let it cook. We'll come back to it in a couple of minutes and start tossing it again. After 6 minutes with the fries, we are going to take them out. After 5 minutes, you're going to want to dump your onions in here. Let's go ahead and turn off the fire. Next, we're going to go ahead and do some plating here.